Hello everyone, this is our engineer Mr. Liu. Now let him to show us how to use our LED float lights. You can see here is our LED 100 watt LED float light, which is IP65 waterproof fluid, adapt 100 piece Philips LED strips, also adapt Miura LED driver. It is 110 lumens per watt. We provide 5 years warranty for this LED float light. Now let Mr. Liu show our how thin it is. Yeah, very thin. Also the back side of this LED float light. Okay, now please let Mr. Liu to light up this LED float light. 点亮，是低压高压的。
高压的，这个是高压的。
It is high wattage by AC 85 to 265 watt. Now you can see it's very bright, very bright. Okay, thanks for the showing by Mr. Liu. If you want to buy our LED float light, you can contact us by www.ledvv.com. Thank you.